Major FANUC robot components. One of the major components of a FANUC robot is its F number. It's a unique serial number identifying the specific robot and its controller. It's crucial for ordering parts, support, and accessing information about your unit, and it's found on the base of the robot or the controller on a silver tag. Industrial robots wouldn't be able to be used in production unless they could be highly accurate and repeatable in their motion controls. This is done through the use of servo motors in each joint of the robot's axis. Each motor houses an internal braking system which allows each axis to brake individually. Finally, each motor is usually coupled with an encoder on the back end. This encoder constantly reports the actual position of the joint back to the controller. This allows for precise and repeatable motions. The controller is often considered the brains of the robot because it houses the power supply the operator controls, the circuitry, the main board, in and out hardware, and other communication ports for the robot. Without the controller, the robot would not be able to function. On the front of the controller, we have different options depending on the version of the software that's installed on the robot. They can vary from USB ports, fault lights, and other features. On the one displayed, we have a mode button or switch, which allows for automatic operation or for manual operation for teaching points. There can also be a start cycle button, an emergency stop, and a breaker. Again, these features can vary depending on the software that is installed in the controller. There's also the robot's teach pendant, which is a handheld device used to program, control, and monitor the robot. It has safety buttons called a dead man on the back. They help ensure the operator is safe when in close proximity to the robot. Notice there's an additional emergency stop placed on the front of the teach pendant. One of the optional safety features is a safety laser scanner. This scanner has a 180-degree field that uses infrared light to continuously scan for objects or people interrupting its beams. When it senses or detects a person entering its outer zone, the DCS software automatically reduces the speed of the robot. When a person enters its stop zone or inner zone, it instantly and completely halts the robot's motion. The software that's installed on the robot can often be viewed on the teach pendant. It contains core operating programs and functions of the robot. It determines fault isolation, diagnostics, and which communication protocols can be used with the robot. This concludes our overview of the major components of a FANUC robot system.